Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to setting highlight on Adobe Lightroom. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Adobe Lightroom apps and add the photo that you want to edit, in here if you wanna setting the highlights, it's so pretty simple. At the bottom you just click on the like, click on it, and then in here you can see highlight. You just swipe left or right this icon for the setting the highlight like this, and like this, like this, like this. Okay, like this. And after this, in here you can go back and finish. So that how to setting highlight on Adobe Lightroom. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.